thank you for visiting Georgia Dent Company. In this short clip, we'll discuss briefly paintless dent repair or paintless dent removal and what's possible by PDR. This white sedan has crease damage running from edge to edge of the roof, as you can tell. It's pretty severe and slightly stretched, with residual metal disbursement called smiles or crowns. We'll have to slowly and meticulously move the metal back to its original form. The technician is visibly using a blending hammer and specialty tools to bring the shape back to the roof. Now, only a highly trained technician can do so without damaging the structural stability of the metal. At Georgia Dent Co., we strive to give you the best possible repair. If you're not happy, we're not happy. So give us a call today and see what we can do for you.